Hello everyone, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Microsoft Flight Simulator, more specifically Flight Test in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Even more specifically, welcome back to Boise Gowan Field International, or whatever this place is called, KBOI, Kilo Bravo Oscar India. Today we are here in the Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner, and yeah, we're gonna follow the built-in checklists. Normally I do have my own checklists in other places that may or may not be from the internet. Going to say, these checklists make this go so fast. Let's see, request pushback. Oh, might wanna. Okay, it did just do that on its own. Oh, I forgot to put on our passengers. Today our passengers are your mom. I'm sorry. So, look, I'm in middle school. What did you expect to happen? I'll push back to right and turn off the parking brake. Oh wait, I did these and I monitored it. You know what? 10, that's good enough for me today. I mean, I'm using the Microsoft Flight Simulator built-in checklist. Like, what do you like? I mean, what do you expect to happen? Repeated the procedure. What did I just say? Procedure? Procedure. Today we are, as always, flying from KBOI to KPUW, Kilo Papa Uniform Whiskey, Pullman Moscow Regional Airport. Yeah, that's really it. And taxi. We got 10 right. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I'm gonna set this to like 225, so that if I take my flaps off immediately, I don't stall out the plane. And other than that, this is all looking good. I definitely like this plane's autopilot and cockpit in general a lot more than the A320s. That could just be because I'm a lot more used to this one. Or it could be because it's better. You never know. I really enjoy having a yoke, and we are going to test out this aircraft's high-speed taxi abilities. And don't worry about the curves. I don't know why there's so many curves and why they're using the taxiways. Airports have dedicated roads for a reason. For curves. And my wings can clear them anyways. I'm not gonna pull a Harrison Ford and try to take off from this taxiway. Just doing a high-speed taxi to the runway that we are using today. And I'm going to make sure we don't tip over and die. Oh, stop! Reverses! Reverse thrust! Look, I'm gonna go back here to the whole short line, just because that's where I was supposed to stop. It's like when you get a penalty in F1, just stop and serve it. There we go. Now we're good to go. I wanna just boop. There we go. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this one to show terrain. So I'm gonna set this one to show weather. Then I'm gonna zoom this one all the way out. Or at least just enough that I can see my entire route. Alright, we do now have a flap set to take off. We are way past rotate speed. And rotate. Oh. I don't think we struck the tail. So you know, that's good enough for me. Done. All I have to do, autopilot on, and boom. Boom. Don't even... I have the co-pilot managing the radios. Yeah, we just don't... Look, don't worry about it. Don't worry about all this because, like, we're gonna turn over some hills. Yeah, these aren't mountains. Okay, look, if you're from Kansas, I don't want to hear about it. These are hills. These are not mountains. Might be kind of mountains. But this one specific thing, this is a hill. Not a mountain. This is a big hill. Still not a mountain. A mountain would be like over there. Like that thing. And if you want to say this is technically a mountain, okay. But it is a little mountain. It's not a big mountain. It's a little mountain. It's a little mountain. It's absolutely just a little mountain. I'm gonna increase this speed a little bit, and then I'm gonna decrease some more flappages. Alright, there we go. Passenger seatbelt sign is staying on. Ah, yes. This plane does have a heads-up display. That's instantly plus at least 1 point for having a heads-up display. Let's see, panel brightness. Nope, not the floodlight. Perfect. Do I have a dimmer decision light? Oh, I forgot to use lighting. Whoops. Mainly the strobe light. Oh, icing? Yeah, we might want that icing. What's the windshield icing? It's up here. Yeah, it's right here. It's already on. That's good. And window heat. Oh, what's this? iOS. Glad we have these. Hope I don't need my iOS. Wait. Oh, I should have turned those on. Oh, and these, and turn this off. I feel like I probably should have done something with these stuff. No, wait. Does this not have bleed? Where's my bleeds? I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. Mostly. Or is it? I don't know. Google it. I don't know. No, do I care? Oh, I am above 10,000 feet. That means we can just... That means we can go to a proper flight speed. Also known as 5 knots away from overspeeding the aircraft. I mean, the plane won't be beeping at me. So, It won't be like overspeed. No weather. That's nice. Got some clouds. What does this do? Nothing? Oh. Yeah, the way I figured out how to work, like, 100% of the stuff in this plane, or just stuff in planes in this game in general. Transponder. Wow. It's quite literally just by messing with it. What do? Contact Salt Lake Center on 118.05. Shut up. Okay, so about 15,000. Alright. Thank you for telling me my altimeter setting. Got a map. I forget what all's over here. I will stand slash flood. Oh, rudder trim? I don't need that. I want to find the panel lights. For this, like, main bit. I'll just leave this at 50. Oh, panel! Clear shield brightness. That's doing nothing. Oh my gosh. What do you mean? It's fine, the seatbelt sign's on. Oh, it's that thing. Okay. This is really some cool stuff. Why am I acting like this is the first time I've ever flown this plane? Like, jeez. I am a professional 787 pilot. Look, if some airline that has these wants some random person off the internet to come fail to fly a 787, call me. Cursor control. Cursor control. You're like, oh, you're doing it. Oh, you're spinning that knob so fast. So yeah, stop now. What does it do? Oh, jeez, it does nothing. I keep forgetting that. Engine failure? Dual engine failure. Yeah, they're coming back. But you failed. I'm sorry. You want to get a song stuck in your head permanently? This is a song. Look, this song has been stuck in my head since 6th grade. When my social studies teacher, she was really cool, played it for us. I just thought you guys, wait, I could get copywritten for playing this.
This is also why GTA 5, despite its slow-ass cars, feels a lot more engaging than proper racing simulators. And that's not considering the fact that you can also yeet pedestrians.
I'm sorry. Woo woo. Oh yeah, I need to start texting and flying. Because how else are we going to safely fly? If we're not texting, well flying. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. But the huge thing. How did he die from that? What? I'm so confused. Okay, so this. generic for a problem, Mikey. Guys, I've been banned from the secret cooking society. I kept spilling all the beans. What was he doing? Oh, yeah. One, two, three, decimal 905, IDK 27.
altitude. Expect vectors visual runway 6 approach. I don't know 27.
Going to 128.05 WestJet.
Did we just get told to descend? Oh no, I was busy texting and flying. CIDK 6 miles. 15. No? Okay, good. So right, I went on to Google Maps and I typed in Moscow. And here, I want to go to Google Maps, see if what it brings up first. Okay, Google has finally decided to catch up with Apple. But anyways, the first result is obviously the good Moscow, not Moscow, Idaho. But after that, it says Moscow. And then it says it's a thing in, Russia. Place in Russia. See, so, can I change my stud? Oh, yes, I can. Boise. Okay, so from Boise to Moscow, it is a 5-hour drive. And we had people board the plane, and we were almost about to begin a descent into Moscow in 30 minutes. That's just incredible. We took a 5-hour drive into a 30-minute flight. I mean, I guess that's not including for the passengers checking in and sitting there and stuff. Alright, if I plummet into the mountain to see you fall Salt Lake Center, I hope you realize that. Here, I'll go negative 8,000 feet per minute. Passenger seatbelt sign, I'm gonna need you to be on. Oh, wait, we're over speeding. I didn't think about the speed. Look, I didn't think about the speed that we were gonna pick up by nosediving into the ground. That was an afterthought. Look, the passenger seatbelt sign's on, so they can't be mad at me for doing anything. I even made it go doom. Doom. Okay, I'm gonna turn off 2. Okay, still no weather. Yeah. So that I can just keep on flying. This has been an incredibly smooth flight. As far as rating goes, I'm gonna start that process right now. I really like the length of this aircraft, like the proportions of it, like wing size, length, tail height, engine size, all around. I just love it. Love the look of it. This paint scheme, it says Boeing on it, so this paint scheme already gives it bonus points. But minus the paint scheme. Flies very nice. The only issue, we're not going to even begin to attempt a barrel roll because I've tried it before. And you can just sit here holding the yoke all the way left. You can just be holding it like all the way left. And it'll just stay at a perfect 90-degree angle. I blame the 737 Maxes for that. We are going to do an overhead approach just because, yeah, that's why. Here, let me see actually though. Oh, I forgot to add a waypoint to a route that it was kind of important for me to add. So that we could actually want to add either this airport this viewer. But I guess it's too late now. Hey, autopilot, shut up. You're the one that wasn't staying on course with the flight director. You have no room to talk. Mr. Whoop Whoop. Get out of here. Clock. I like this clock. What is it? I don't see it yet. Put? Where are you? Why does my mouse do this sometimes? I hate it. Put?
Horizon Air 237345, 4 miles south.
Oh.
Descend and maintain 4,400 feet. Expect ILS runway tree approach by Golf Echo Golf transition. Cleared to Golf Echo.
It's not 2492, so I really don't care about it. If they went Horizon Air 2492, I would turn on dev mode, switch to an F-15 so fast, and intercept it. I'm at 6,000 feet. What do you want from me? Yeah, QXE 2492. Nuh-uh. We do not have the runway in sight.
Turn right heading 315, descend and maintain 4,600 feet. I don't know too.
Oh, sorry. Hope we don't make a sonic boom. That'd be bad.
Uniform whiskey traffic. I don't know 27 is on final runway 6 to land.
No, that's not what's happening. My co-pilot has no idea what we're doing. And he has some really good eyes. Maybe I'm just blind. Oh, whoops. Yeah, no, there ain't no runway in sight. It should be like right over here, but is it right there? Joey Albano, por favor? We gotta do some aerobatic-esque stuff. Mr. GPWS call out guy isn't gonna be a fan of me. Landing here. Here. Landing here. Shut up, I know I'm over speeding. Yes, that was necessary. Landing gear. Okay, wait, what's still no runway in sight? What the? Okay, runway is indeed in sight. What runway should we use? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I catch, we come in from the Oregon side. Whee! Passenger seatbelt signs on, guys. This is perfectly realistic. See, I'm pushing the yoke all the way left. It won't. go. Inimu tippy tippy left. I'm gonna pretend like this is a 777X, cause honestly, and like everyone I've asked that cares anything about airplanes and Boeing says that they would have preferred a 777X over a 787. So we'll just say we're a 777X. Gear down, we'll extend those flapperoonies. We'll kick the rudder to the side. Oh, beautiful approach. Spoilers extended. We're definitely gonna need them based off the fact that we're only gonna become at a steeper bank angle. Oh, beautiful. Look at Oregon. This is Pullman. This is a city known as Pullman. It's in Oregon. It's in Oregon. I believe the airport itself is in Idaho. Pretty sure the Idaho border is like right around here. Pretty sure it's somewhere around here. Oh, bananas. 100. 100. 30. 20. Oh. Right, the nose gear touchdown was a little bit rough. Like a dog, but you know. What did the dog say when it saw some sandpaper? It said rough. As in rough. Actually, it's pronounced Aaron. You done messed up, Aaron! Uh-oh. Oh, whoops. Sorry about your grass. Hope I didn't take out any lights. Not my problem. We told you 20 years in advance that we were gonna be flying 7X's out of your airport. It's not my problem. Is that an X-15 or an F-16? F-16, okay. For a second there, I thought it was an X-15 just sitting there. How am I going so slow? Everything that could help me brake is off. I say that was a pretty good landing. Alright, so I say... Here, let me whip out my actual checklist for the shutdown. File. There we go. Boeing 787 checklist. Right, engine shutdown. Alright, Mr. Green What are you, Bonanza? I can't actually see you. You got lucky there. Although you might not get as lucky when my engine comes around. Oh, nailed it. What we're gonna do, just roll up and park it right here. Right here. Alright, let's see. Alright, so engine shutdown checklist. Parking brakes set. Engine generators off. Check. External power on. Okay. Let's see. Engine fuel controls cut off. Taxi lights and all those lights off. Oh, whoops. Fuel pumps off. Seatbelt sign off. Alright, aircraft secure. Interior lights off. Oh, jeez. Saying that's good enough. Battery switch off. External power off. And now this is the part where we turn off the rest of the lights. Okay, doors closed / locked. I don't know. Let's just whip out a drone to do this. Alright, this door looks pretty closed and locked. This one looks pretty closed and locked. This one looks pretty closed and locked. Did you? Yeah, closed and locked. Ain't good enough. Actually, hang on. I'm gonna turn on my this. TC. On the ramp, I was gonna see if I could tell them to pull out the stairs and hook up the stairs. But I guess not, and that's fine. Anyways, I give this plane, don't want to give it a perfect score, but I give it 27 out of 27. Actually, only because of not having any hydraulic systems that I can play with. 25 out of 27. Yeah, 25 out of 27. Anyways, until next time, I'll see y'all later. 25 out of 27. For the Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner.